When you're building Java applications for highly regulated industries like healthcare or finance, security isn't just important, it's essential. There are compliance standards, legal obligations, and let's be honest, real consequences for getting it wrong. In this video, I'll walk through some of the key best practices for secure Java development, how we at Keyhole help teams stay compliant, and why security has to be baked in from day one, not bolted on at the end. So why is building software for these industries more complex? A few big reasons. First, you're dealing with sensitive data, whether it's patient records, financial transactions, or personal identifiers. That means you're subject to regulatory standards like HIPAA, PCI, SOX, and others depending on your industry. There's often a need for audit trails, strict access controls, and data encryption, not just as best practices, but as legal requirements. And unlike other industries, the cost of a breach isn't just technical, it's reputational and financial. That's why secure development in this space requires extra diligence and a proactive approach. So best practices for secure Java development. Let's walk through a few simple but important ways to keep your Java application secure, especially when working in industries like healthcare or finance. Keep your tools up to date. Use trusted frameworks like Spring Boot, and always keep your libraries and dependencies updated. Old code often means security risks. Protect sensitive data. Make sure important information like passwords, medical records, or account numbers are encrypted, and never print that data in logs. Check user input. Anything users type into your app, like form fields or search bars, should be cleaned and checked. This helps prevent common attacks like SQL injection. Use strong login security. Stick with proven systems like OAuth 2.0 for login and permissions. Don't try to build your own from scratch. It's not worth the risk. Only give access where it's needed. If a user or system doesn't need access to something, don't give it to them. This limits damage if anything ever goes wrong. Log smart, not sensitive. Logging is great for finding issues, but make sure you're not accidentally logging private or sensitive data. Don't wait until the end of a project to add security. Think about it from the start. It'll save time, money, and stress later on. At Keyhole, we work with clients in healthcare, insurance, banking, and government every day, so we understand what it takes to build secure, compliant Java applications in highly regulated environments. It's not just about checking boxes for an audit. We bring real hands-on experience, helping teams write secure code, review architecture, and build systems that are solid from the ground up. We guide teams through best practices, from day-to-day coding decisions to big-picture architecture choices. We also support teams with things like automated testing, secure continuous integration, and development pipelines, and making sure deployments don't introduce new vulnerabilities. And when it comes to choosing the right tools or framework, we're right there to help match tech decisions with both your business goals and compliance requirements. But the most important part, we help your teams keep security top of mind, not just once a year, but every day. Because security isn't just a feature, it's part of the foundation, and we're here to help you build it right. If you're building a Java software in regulated industry where the stakes are high, but so is the opportunity to get it right. At Keyhole Software, we know how to build secure, scalable, and compliant systems, and we love helping teams feel confident in what they're delivering. Let's talk about how we can help you move faster and safer without compromising on either end.